If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making KANKADA BHAJA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: for the whole spices, take some bay leaves, fennel seeds, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, black pepper and black cardamom in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about a tablespoon of that. Then take about 1 inch long ginger in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor. Then 500 grams of spine gourd or kankada, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, and some salt to taste. Now traditionally, these are made in earthen pots in Lord Jagannath temple. So to show you all, I am making this in an earthen pot. So place it on medium flame and add all the ghee, followed by the crushed ginger, powder, hing, haldi and salt. Now roast these for roughly about a minute. Then to that add all the kankada and again saute these for a couple of minutes. Then to the pot add about 1.5 cups of water and wait till it starts to boil. Then cover it with a lid and let it simmer till it's completely cooked and dried, and it should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, KANKADA BHAJA. So do try this at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.